This is the fundamentals, lesson 2 of the Robotify plan. The introduction will give you a learning view in which you will see progress and navigate through the completed tasks. The robot feed, where the students can see the robot and environment, which is expandable. The terminal tab, which you click to hide or reveal the terminal, where students can see the system and can print messages. The instructions bubble, containing task instructions and theory. The block drawers, containing the blocks organized by type. And the workspace tab, in which you click to hide or reveal blocks added to the program. In the last lesson, you have a working definition. A program is a list of instructions that are done in a particular order to complete a task. Most programs have a core loop. Loops make programs do some instructions over and over until a condition is met. These conditions are often just repeat 5 times or repeat 10 times. Loops are common in day-to-day life. In this lesson, the programs can look confusing. Blocks are just instructions. We can change the instructions result by changing the inputs. In this lesson, you can see that programs can look confusing, but again, blocks are just instructions. We can change the instructions result by changing the inputs. For the inputs, you are basically giving ways to input data. You have drop-down menus, fields, block inputs, and you have drop-downs that cover limited options, left or right, up or down, forward or back. Drop-downs options will be discrete. They won't be a free range, usually a good hint for what you're expected to do. Ways to input data could be fields that input for a set range of value, degrees, volume. Can also be for specific type of data, number of fields in math, string fields in text. Ways to input data are flexible. They let you give inputs into other blocks. They let you give inputs that will change as the program runs. Not range limited. They can be limited by type if block requires it. There will be worksheets which connect the inputs to the right block to collect the batteries. Different batteries can connect to different worksheets to locate those batteries. They connect the inputs to the right block to collect the batteries. And then you have a review at the end of your lesson, which includes drop-downs, limited or discrete, fields that are ranges and they can be typed, blocks that have flexible or typed or variables. And that concludes lesson 2 of the Robotify program.